Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Edwin Lee, and I want to dissect Bitcoin's price action using only Elliott Waves. At hedging.com, members receive not only Elliott Wave analysis, but my cocktail of methods is Elliott Waves along with Hurst cycles and my proprietary analysis called event analysis. But here I present for public only the Elliott Waves, which is looking to be quite interesting. When price is going sideways, laterally, there's a lot of overlap, so choppy, and pretty much trendless. It's best to be labeled using what's called WXY, double, and sometimes WXY XZ or triple combinations. In this case, I can see the W, the X, and the Y, each having three-wave price swings, shown with the ABC for W, ABC for X, ABC for Y. So if WXY is complete, upon completion, this would have to come down, and that's exactly what's been happening since March 28th. And this decline since March 28th is looking very impulsive. Impulsive means it has five waves, a trend of some type. 1, 2, 3. And look how this is a symmetrical triangle. Very common for wave 4. And in Elliott Wave Triangle, you can label this as A, B, C, D, E. And I think it's about done. So that would mark the wave 4. And wave 5 would then still be calling for lower lows below the 39,000. And likely it'll target the low 37,000s. Now Hurst cycles and events concur. And when they all jive, the three methods jive together, it's pretty powerful. So what happens after wave 5 is complete at around, let's say, 37K plus or minus a few $100s? Well, that is only for members. Consider joining. Gold members get daily video analysis, not only with Elliott Waves, but with Hurst cycles driven by sentient trading, as well as my event analysis. And only gold members, only they get the trade alerts. Have a good day.